Hi, I'm Jay, paint expert from Resene, and today I'm going to talk about primers. The primer is the most important coat of paint. It's the anchor for the new paint system. The final result is totally dependent on the primer doing its job. Primers are different to top coats, so it's important to use the right primer for the surface you're painting. Just applying an extra top coat won't work. The main purpose of the primer is to provide excellent adhesion for the new paint, and it protects the surface until it can be top coated. Ideally, after priming, you need to top coat within 4 to 6 weeks. If you're outside that window, you need to speak to the Resene colour shop staff. Primers aren't designed for long-term exposure without top coating, so you may need to clean the primed surface or sand back and start again. Primers come in colours that block out UV light. It helps stop moisture reach the substrate. They seal the surface and help stop subsequent coats of paint from sinking in and losing gloss. Special primers can help stop stains and tannins from bleeding through into the top coats and ruining the job. This particularly applies to staining timbers such as cedar or redwood. The undercoat is similar to the primer as it provides a base for the top coat to stick to. It prevents moisture getting in and it helps even out small imperfections in rough surfaces. Undercoats are generally applied over primers or previous top coats when a significant colour change is happening. For example, if you're going from a very dark colour to a light one.